What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on and fix call waiting on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So first of all, open phone app. Now tap on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now in settings, tap on calling accounts and then tap on call waiting. Now here tap on this button to turn on call waiting. So if this button is turned off, then tap on this button to turn it on, and then from the pop-up tap on turn on to confirm. Now after turning on this button, you will be able to use the call waiting feature. But if you are facing issues while using call waiting, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down the circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, if you are still facing the issue, then try updating the phone's software. So open settings. Now tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now from here it will automatically check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then update your phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software to the latest version, the call waiting issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the call waiting issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.